Hey guys, this is Akash. In case if you want to copy and paste any item, then what we generally do, we just simply click on the item that we want to copy and we choose the destination where we want to paste it. Here I have one example. Suppose I have to copy this Suresh and here I am choosing the destination to paste it. But instead of doing the basic step, here I have one trick for you that I am about to reveal that surely will surprise you. Here I want randomly to select any item that I want and paste within one click. So for that I need to go to home and then select clipboard arrow next to clipboard option. Here you can see the clipboard. What I'm supposed to do here is randomly copy any item by using Ctrl plus C option, and here is showing what I have copied. Here we can see items are showing. So here you can see every item I have copied is showing here, and if you want to paste it, then you have to just select the copied item you want and it will paste here successfully in just one click. There is no need to do any extra work. Here everything I am selecting is pasting successfully. For example, I am selecting Sham from the clipboard and you can see that by just selecting it is pasting here directly. Okay, similarly for Akash and Ramesh. Hey guys, if you like this trick, then let me know in the comment section. If you really like this video, then share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.